Hi, this is the TCL 40C and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant option on this device. So open first the Google application, then tap on the right upper corner and go to the settings. Tap to the voice section, to Google Assistant section, and then tap to Hey Google and Voice Match section. You will see here Hey Google switcher, just tap on it. To activate this option, click More, I agree, and tap to continue. So just click here to not know, and we could see here that the Hey Google option successfully activated. So now Assistant to recognize our voice, we should add our voice model. So click Retain Voice Model and say, OK Google, what's the weather tomorrow? OK Google, set the timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. And after that, just tap here to finish. Not now. And now when we'll say OK Google or Hey Google, we could see that this option successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.